Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this Valentine's Love Code sweatshirt. So to get started, make sure that you've already saved a barcode image to your computer, and then we're going to upload that image into our Cricut. And then we're going to go ahead and edit it, erase the background and erase all the numbers. Alright, so once you've erased everything, go ahead and save that image to your files. Now we're going to go down and click on barcode and insert that. Hit the unlock button, and then you're going to size the barcode to your liking. Make sure it's just a big enough size that will fit onto a sweatshirt. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is click on images and type in heart. And this particular heart that I'm selecting, I'm going to slice it later on so we have a nice outlining of a heart. So go ahead and click on that image, and you're going to hit slice. And then we're just going to remove the pieces that we don't need. Now I'm going to go ahead and drag that heart over my barcode and size it to fit the barcode. Alright, once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and group everything together real quick and then hit the slice button once again. And then I'm just going to remove the pieces that I have sliced. There's going to be 3 pieces. And then as you can see, you're left with an outline of a heart on your barcode. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is click on text, and I'm going to be typing in numbers that have a special meaning to me. So feel free to use any numbers that have a special meaning to you. It's a great way to personalize this if you're going to be making this as for a gift or for yourself. It's very customizable. Alright, for just the time's sake, I went ahead and duplicated this just to show you what it looks like with all the numbers on the barcode. But once you've got your numbers placed, go ahead and group everything together, and then make sure to attach this as well. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is click that Make It button. And then since this is going to be an iron-on, make sure to hit that Mirror button. And then go ahead and continue to cut out your image. Alright, so the next step is to go ahead and weed out your image. This is a little bit of an intricate design with all the lines, so it will take a little bit of time, but just be patient with it. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Easy Press to iron on my image. Just make sure to use the reference chart to know what temperature and time that you need to set for your particular project. Alright, so now I'm just going to get my surface ready by warming it up before placing my iron on. And then go ahead and just try to center that as best as you can. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my Easy Press and press it till the timer tells me when to release. As you can tell, this project is a little bit bigger, so I am going to have to do this by sections. Alright, and that completes your project. What I like to do when I'm done ironing the front is go ahead and flip the sweatshirt backwards and hit it with the iron on the back side, just to make sure that everything is completely adhered. But once you're done with that, you're all set. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.